So in this section guys, we are going to discuss about the manage the processes. So what is the process? For the example, any computer is a start, or any operating system is a start, or any executable code is executed, means you are going to be execute any code, it will actually the part of the process, means whenever you are open the terminal, so it means there is a one process is running, and there is a possibilities every process has its PID, process ID, unique ID, it is the unique ID for today. And you can manage the process, you can kill the process, you can see the process, you can start the process, all these things can be done. So what are the process and how to manage those process, we will discuss in this session. So first question, what are the processes? Processes are instances of running code. Any running code is executed, any program file, any executable file is executed, any command is executed, there is a process has been started. For the example, you are running the ping command and going to be ping with any particular domain name or any IP address, so the ping will execute a code, because without executing code it is not possible to sending the query and getting the response. When the code will be execute, it will maybe the process, it will be the process, and when the processes will start, it will generate a unique PID. So yes, so I hope you have understand what is the process. So process management actually used for the troubleshooting and performance tuning. For the example, you have start a computer and you start a operating system Linux, and you find out there is a XYZ process and the PID is a 11, is using the high CPU. Even this process is not useful, so you can kill this process to maintain the performance. And also you are executing any program and the program is not executing properly, so you can see the processes to do the troubleshooting. Processes are assigned a process identity number, it is known as a PID, and there is some tools which is used for the managing processes, may display the information related to the process state. State means active or inactive, or the sleep mode, or the zombie mode. So whatever the mode is here, you will get the information related to the process state. Process ID is the unique number, and the command that launch the process, like ping command launch the XYZ process, and their parent process and their child process if any required, so you will get also information related those processes. So there is some commands you can use to get the information, like P is stand for process grep, actually it is the shorten or the find the finding the matched text in the result. So pgrep command is used to checking the process. You will have to provide the command pgrep, and then you will provide the any specific input or specific the command name. PID off command is used to check the PID which having the off means close, not working. So these commands you can use to check the processes. PS command is used to check the processes. Here is two processes are running, and now I am going to use the new terminal, and here I am going to start a ping command, ping with the google.com, and backing on my back, and again I am running the PS command, so it is the process, ping process is not displaying. Okay, so pgrep command will be display, and here I need to provide the ping, so it will display the ping, and this is running is 16108. So PS more command, you will get the information help. So PS-U will display the information about the users, which user are using of this. Okay, so some other commands also. You can see there is a ping google.com is running in another area, but not displaying the or receiving the data. And also I have run the PSU command. So this command executed a process which is running over this PID. Okay, so similar, if I am going to open the Firefox here, I have opened the Firefox. So when I will run the again command, so you can see not displaying here. So I think I will have to run this command through the so it will displaying the information related to the PID. Okay, if you want to list information, then you can use the -L option. Process signal types. Process signal types means if the process is running, this is the process ping and process is running. So what are the signal I can send to the kernel or send to the shell through the cell? So means kill is the one signal. When I want to kill the particular service, I want to kill the service. Okay, so like there is some process is consuming the CPU very high. I want to close this process or kill this process. So there is a kill command is used for killing the process. But there is a three types you can send the signals to kill this process. First option is a SIGTERM. So SIGTERM is sending the signal name means 15. So you will run the command like kill and -15 and then you will provide the PID. So what is the meaning of the 15? 15 calls for graceful exit. What is the meaning of the graceful exit? Graceful exit means a proper shutdown, proper manner to shut down the command. Proper manner to shut down the command. Any command, if you are shutting down any command, so we'll have a proper manner. Proper manner means proper shutdown, because there is a two option. You are close your system. One option, you shut down the system. Another option is just plug out. There is a two option. One option is shut down the system, another is plug out or power off. So what is the difference between? When you are going to be shut down the system, it will shut down in a proper manner and store all your data and save your data. But when you are power off the plug or power off the system directly, so there is a possibilities, not lots of the processes or lots of the not shut down in a proper way. So there is a possibilities of the losing the data, loss of the data. Got it? So similar, the signal or SIGTERM sending the signal 15 and your process will shut down properly. But when you run this command SIGKILL, it will kill the signal and directly closed immediately, no matter which type of the data it will lose. SIGHUP is a cause for the graceful exit when the pseudo terminal closes. Pseudo terminal means when the terminal is started and any file is started, so until the terminal will not close, this file will not be closed. So shutdown will be happen is properly, but when the terminal will be closed or terminal will be off.